Do you like it? Ooh, isn't it nice? All the eggs.
Crackers or something.
Ooh, fun.
Want to taste it and see if you like it? This is This is non-booze.
Well, no, I want booze in mine.
I know, but just taste it, see if you like it.
Oh, of course I'm gonna like
concoction.
it. This is the egg and the nog.
Mom!
Ooh, that's lovely. Tell the people about these pictures. So what's happening here?
Daddy took a picture of me and Mommy, but then he didn't take a picture of Mommy's face.
So he took a picture of just Esme, yes. But oopsies, but I'm in there, but he didn't take my face. And then Esme says, hey, Mom and Dad, I'll take a picture of you by the tree. And then she took this picture. And she tried to cut Daddy out. Let's see our cozy Christmas living room. What have we got? The adorable gingerbread house, which my friend coined the Pride House. Couldn't agree more. How cute is that? We have the Christmassy fireplace. And then the tree, which I have repaired that missing patch of lights. Did I show you guys? I got a new thing. I was at Canadian Tire and they had this garland and everything was like 50% off. So I got a few strands of it and it covers the whole tree. And soon I will wrap presents and put them under the tree, but not quite yet. I have some of the most impatient children, so presents will be 24th. Here we are, December 23rd, and I am baking. Here's the setup. We're making some sugar cookies, and this is my mother-in-law's recipe. And yesterday I had made, this is some dough, but I kept it in the fridge it's a little bit cold, so I've got to let it just kind of warm up to room temperature a little bit. And this is going to be a Martha Stewart, Noel kind of snowball type of cookie. We've got a bunch of little cutouts, here they are, and the kids are looking forward to decorating, so it's like a little bit of a kid activity, because I find this day is always a bit slow. Like, you don't want to go out, you don't want to do any more shopping, we're done. There's no snow, so like, what do I do now? My little helpers are here. We're getting going.
Okay, we're done.
Okay, dry hands, here you go. Someone's got to pour the eggs, so Esme's going to pour the eggs in here.
Okay.
Okay, just careful. Okay.
I want to turn it on.
Now,
Egg. What's more egg?
Jack, you turn that. Now we gotta pour in the rest of the dry ingredients.
What is that making?
Oh, Daddy's making spaghetti sauce for dinner tonight.
Mom.
Spaghetti and meatballs. Okay, so let's pour in the rest of the dry.
I'm excited.
Take the spoon out. I know you're excited. You don't need the spoon, probably. All right, let's do it.
Tap, 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 tap. I'm stacking the ball. And now they have been iced. And they look awesome. We left a few uniced because quite frankly we ran out and I'm like, I ain't making no more. So we'll enjoy those sans icing sugar. I'll sit down and play with you. I'm just gonna get some lunch. I'm just fixing up Grandpa's room. What are you having for lunch?
I'm not sure yet, but I made the bed. I'm just cleaning up this area. And then, oh, this is actually Grandpa's, so we gotta leave this out.
Alpie.
I bought two. These were on sale the other day, and he's like, I could use one. Anyway, okay. These cute little bears.
I want one.
I know. I kept one for you and one for Jack. You should name them. You can take the tags off. Waiting for Dad. He'll be here very soon.
Mom,
Yeah.
I'm gonna call this Fred.
Hi, Fred. Fred the bear. And what they don't know is all the toys are hiding up there. But I don't want them to know, so I'm just gonna casually leave. Let's go.
And this
Okay.
is my friend Buddy.
Buddy and Fred. Good names. What happened?
Elf Blue.
You're kidding me. How did he get there? Any ideas?
We never touched him. I'm gonna touch him.
Don't touch him.
Oh, no, Sonora.
Yeah, he likes coming to this house.
Yeah.
The chef.
Give
Woo.
him whiskey so he comes here first.
Yeah.
Oh.
We give him whiskey.
We're giving Santa some whiskey.
That's why Santa Claus
We're gonna find him on the sofa in the morning.
Santa comes here first, right?
Yeah.
This is tonight's
You
wine.
good,
It's a
man.
little bit sweet, quite nice. And our glowing living room is just my favorite. Doing it up a little fancy for this dinner. This is my Joe Fresh dress. Crushed velvet. Yeah.
Ready?
Merry Christmas.
That's weird. Say it nicely. Esme, you're gonna hurt your throat. He's trouble. Okay. You can look at it, yeah. Do you want to look at the pictures?
It's from our elf. It says, to Esme from elf. Come on, let's open it. Look what I got. I got some new pajamas. And I got, let's see what I got. A book.
What?
Can you take this off?
Yeah. Okay, step 1, dried out bread, blueberries. I also have the kitchen to clean, but we'll get to that momentarily. Okay, this is my overnight French toast breakfast casserole. I've not tried this recipe before, so I hope it goes well. All right, so this is like the custard. And I'm gonna pour this. This is like eggs and egg whites and cinnamon and milk and pure vanilla. And then lemon and lemon zest, and you pour that over the bread and blueberry mixture. And then I think that's it. You let it sit overnight. And there we go. Egg mixture's poured over. You can kind of see it in the bottom there. And then you wrap it with some wrap overnight and bake for like 50 minutes in the morning. Easy peasy. I think Santa was here. Holy. What do you think?
Amazing. This is amazing. Look at this.
This is crazy.
This is so cool.
Strategically placed, everything wrapped.
Beautiful.
So excited. Oh,
Kids are spoiled.
I'd say. They got their little stockings stuffed.
Close your eyes, okay, Jack? Close your eyes. I'll hold both hands.
It's hard to close your eyes on the stairs, that's all.
Look, Jacka. Look at Santa came. He drank all the milk.
There's a little piece of carrot.
And look.
Wow.
Kitty.
Hi, buddy. Look at this stuff.
You guys.
This is the one Jack gave me first.
You guys, look at this. Look at the stockings.
Oh! Open the stocking.
That one, I think that one looks like it's Jack's. Did Santa mess it up?
I think, yeah. I think they left crumbs.
Oh my gosh, show me. Show me.
Come on. They left this.
What?
I think they left it crumbs.
Are you sure there's no reindeer poop around? Because those things will leave a lot of poop, right?
Grandpa, I don't think they pooped. I'd smell it.
Oh, God.
All right, to Mom from Esme. Let's see. This is very nice wrapping.
We didn't do it.
Wow, that's beautiful.
The mall did it.
Perfect.
They're professionals.
Yeah. It's in the box.
Just rip it.
It's in the box.
That's a
In
job
the
that
box.
your grandfather will never get.
Wrapping. Those are so nice.
And there's more. I want.
Look at these are earrings.
Oh, cute. Very nice.
Little simple triangle earrings. I love it. Thank you.
Good one now.
Okay, Jack, come open it.
Whoa, look at the size of that one.
I haven't got
Just
any
wait.
toys.
Don't worry. Wait.
I'm
Come sit
really
down.
excited.
Look at his face. Garbage.
I got one for you, but hold on.
I got one for you. Oh my God! It's a truck.
What?
It's a...
Oh,
Whoa!
awesome.
And it comes with cars.
Awesome.
Okay, Esme, here you go.
What the? Whoa! Oh my God!
What is it?
It's a magic hat with a bunny rabbit!
Your sister's in my house.
Ow!
I love the quote. I can't remember who said it, but it's like, there's no
Yeah.
greater mess than the mess on Christmas morning.
It's a doctor's outfit! It's a doctor's outfit!
Oh, that's cute.
What?
That's really nice.
See?
Do you like it?
Yes.
Oh my, I got spoiled this year. What could it be?
Oh my God!
Oh.
A book! present.
Is it just what I need? It's a planner. I love it. I use a planner every day. Thank you.
It's a cup. What kind of cup? Ooh, that looks nice. Ooh, wild and free.
And look
at this.
Let's look by.
Oh, man.
Yummy.
Nice, man.
You're not slimy.
It's not slime. It's pretty cool, actually.
What is that? Cover blubber.
Do you see it, dude?
Yeah. Isn't it cool? Can I try?
Just let him try.
It looks weird. I can see Grandpa's.
Oh, is it like lots of grandpas?
Grandpa's.
Wild one, this one, honey.
Yeah. It's a. Oh my God, Mom! Mom!
Esme.
Mom! I'm putting it on.
Go to the fashion show.
Fashion.
That's it.
Your turn.
I want to do it.
Okay, so
Very nice.
together from your dad.
What is it? It's a car! It's a racing thing. It's a racing thing.
It's a robot
What?
head-to-head remote control combat. Dad, are these from you? Did you bring these?
Nope.
Santa.
Nope. It wasn't me.
If it wasn't Grandpa.
I got you guys.
I don't even have this paper. Hold on.
One gift.
To Esme from Santa.
What
Okay.
the?
And to Jack from Santa. Okay, go sit down.
What is Jack?
Go sit down.
Big presents.
Oh, these are the Santa
This
gifts
is from
now.
Santa.
Wait,
Is
why
that-
did Santa have
Okay,
more?
start open and sit down.
Holy cheese.
Go! What? It's a skateboard. I don't know what it is. It's a skateboard. This is what I love. I don't know what it is. It's shoes.
Oh.
It's glow shoes, I think.
What are they? Glow shoes?
No, the skating shoes.
Oh my gosh, Jack.
A skateboard.
You okay?
It's a skateboard. I got
Oh my
skating shoes.
You guys, how did Santa know? Well, to be honest, you told him every time you saw him. Does it look scary to have makeup pouring down my face? Oh wow. It's Christmas. Yeah, Merry Christmas. What a nice morning. Oh my God. I'm so glad that Dad stayed over because, I mean, we would have had all the magic and stuff anyway, but it's always nice when there's just more people around. Okay, set this table. I'm hungry. Success.
So I'm gonna sleep in your bed, and you go sleep on the floor.
Verdict.
Is that-
Esme, what do you
is
think
that
about the
fair?
breakfast casserole?
Is that fair?
Really good.
Some robot battles happening. Woo! Whoa! Well, where are we going?
I don't know.
Going to the movies. We're going on a movie day, and Dad's gone home. We had a great breakfast, ate up all the rest of that blueberry French toast casserole. It was delicious. And look at this, it's clean. Everything's ready to rock. And we're going to see Mary Poppins.
I'm down here.
Should be great. We're off. Let's go. Back home from the movie. It was so good. I cried 3 times. I'm not sure if it warranted the 3 times of crying, but hold on. I just realized my podcast was still playing. I'm not sure that it warranted 3 times of crying, but I always get emotional this time of year. Like, even today, Joanna, who's in Florida, nesting story, sent me a text saying, I hope you're okay. I know you tend to dip. I just do, it's like the big hustle bustle of Christmas and then poof, I'm in the... Tonight, by the way, is fried ham in the cast iron, mashed potatoes, carrots. They had asked for gravy, but I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that. It's probably just gonna be a buttered kind of night. Ooh, I might have some leftover gravy actually from yesterday. Thank God. Anyway, but yeah, I'm going through the post-holiday dip. Keep you posted on that. Meanwhile, this one is Healy's, is that what they're called? Woo! Around the kitchen. Just be careful, babe. Esme is doing a little art piece. What's it called? String art. And it involves, so it's one of these things, but I need to hammer in this. It's a little tricky. So, in the meantime, what are you guys up to?
Jack's making
Jack
me.
wrote my name.
Jack's making me write names and cutting them out and putting them in that bowl.
Like a Secret Santa?
Yeah.
Actually, I want to show you guys. Look at this. Jack, he wrote, is this working? I'm gonna put it back in. He wrote my name. He's only 4.
You're not supposed to see it.
Sorry about that.
recording?
Yeah.
All right, guys, so this is my new workout outfit. So Esme Rose, how do all the fitness girls do their struts? How they go like this? Position. Booty. Anyway, so these are some Nike pants. What would you say? This is tie-dye?
Yeah.
High-waisted? Jiggle bum? And then a Puma top. And normally I don't wear my workout wear to the gym, but I had to try it on. So I'm off to the gym. Thanks, Muffin. I'm off to the gym. Bag is packed. Dean is home only for a day because someone's got to work. And so I'm going to go and just do a little bit of self-care because I think I was telling you yesterday I felt a little dip occurring. So we're going to remedy that with some physical activity. And it seems to be a very nice day outside. So I think the kids might be cruising somewhere to try out their wheels, whether it's shoe wheels or skateboards. Anyway, so that's what I'm off to do. And then come home and family time, and I'm hoping to do some of the laundry. The laundry is like taken care of, but there's probably like 40 loads of laundry to fold. Something crazy. Anyways, I'm gonna wrap up the vlog now so you actually have video to watch because it's the holidays and we gotta get this edited. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys had a really nice holiday, happy new year. I hope to have a video out soon that's gonna be just talking about 2019, reflecting on some moments in 2018, maybe things I could have done differently, things that I'm proud of myself about, and then some plans that I have for the new year. So my challenge to you is to do the same. Maybe look back on your last year, think about some things that you loved, thought you could have done better, and plans for the new year. 3 things. All right, that's it, you guys. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.